Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan and I'm chasing my dream of becoming a profitable day trader. There's only one problem. It's the hardest thing I've ever done in my life, man. But I'm working hard. I believe in myself. I'm doing the things that you're supposed to do, tracking my trades, journaling, building on the process each day. It's getting really exciting, man. The best thing about it is I'm doing it live right here on YouTube. We're building an awesome community in the process. Love to have you here for it. Hit that like button for me, subscribe, Discord links in the description. Everything is free for the community. Let's get to it, y'all. What's going on, man? Good morning. Tuesday, January 14th. The SPY went off this morning. I don't know if it's gonna hold up. We got PPI today. I don't know. Did that come out already, or is that coming out soon? Today's pick is AIFF. It was between this one and was it NMHI. I actually, yeah, NMHI still ain't bad, but the volume coming in at this part of the open. What's up, 3Pony? Is clearly over there on AIFF, and then my guy Trey was like, AIFF is in the same theme as what I was trading yesterday. Yeah, Trey, man. I think I mean, I just want the top thing on the gap list. You know what I mean? Like, if it's a small cap, then it's a small cap. If it's a mid cap, then it's a mid cap. I don't really care. I don't think, like, for it to be doing a lot of relative volume and have gapped up a large amount, you know, and have a good daily setup. I don't really care what kind of stock it is, but biotech, yeah, biotech's hot. Yeah, it's definitely extended. Broken slot machine theory. Yeah, like shoot, if I just come in here and trade the thing that everybody's excited about every day, just focus on that one thing, you know, the thing that meets that criteria of, you know, a good bullish daily setup. Yeah. The thing that kind of overrides the daily sucks for sure, but the dailies are all gonna suck. I was trying to hold to some sort of uptrending daily, like wanting to stick to dailies that are uptrending. Yeah, I'm feeling the volatility already, John Mack, just from watching the SPY this morning. Um, but it's just the volume, man. It's never traded this much volume ever, you know. Um, Wait, wow, it's been way up there before. Okay, it has traded this much volume before. Right in here. Oh, right in that range, eh? This was, oh, okay. Low of $5. Hmm. There's the bell. I'm kind of late this morning, man. I haven't gone through my routine. I guess I know, right? Um, Lessons from yesterday. I don't know, man. Do it again. This thing just gonna go straight up out the open, man. That's gonna suck. You dirty rat. Well, there's $5 that low I was worried about. Let's see what happens. All right, there's my no FOMO alarm. Don't do it. Don't be stupid. Yeah. Well, we might not get to do anything today if this is how it's gonna start. I know, right? Yeah, no doubt. No doubt. I'm making adjustments. But I mean I definitely would have been happier. I would have been happy to find a nice, mid cap, little 20 something dollars something, you know, with a $1 billion market cap, with a nice gap. But I am a day trader, so it's kind of violent up there. Do 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 do. At 1K%. What's it gonna be? So do we be aggressive right under 5 and go for it and get this bread? Nah, we ain't finna do that. Man, I really want to take this break, but it's a little too aggressive. A little too aggressive. Pop, I'd take this break and put my stop under $5, man. Over 553. But this three green candles is not a buy setup by any means. Yo, Kizzy Bop, what's good, bro? But maybe if we get a little narrow range red candle in here, might be able to validate. Looking like a little flag right there. You know. You know. I wanted to go lower so I can not be tempted to jump in because, I mean, honestly, I want to give my R to my intuition right here. Like, here you go, intuition. Go forth and do well. Go forth and do well, my intuition. I'd hate to not have my stop lower day, though. Yeah. Go lower, go lower. I got 3 monitors. My main, the screen you guys see is my center one. The one to my left, I used to keep my watch charts on, but now I just watch one thing. So I just have my scanner up over there on the left, and then I got my OBS over here in Discord. I really don't need that much anymore. I'm about to take Order it. Filled. Oh, I'm about to get punished for that one. Oh. I couldn't take it, man. Dag blasted. Let's see if it holds 5. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. It show billied me and peekabooed up over that candle, man. Tagged me in there. Mm. I wasn't checking for volume or nothing. Gotta wait for the two red candles, man. That's like law. We just see what this $5 level talking about. But yeah, my bad. You know, players mess up. Players mess up. Oh man. Come on, Bugs. Help him out. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's go. Ah, don't do it. Don't do it. Ah. Oh man. Dang, them shorts came through serious. Mm. Well, this got a higher high now. It came down to 549. Roller coaster, bruh. Ah, just go. It's going down. Oh man. It's definitely coming down, man. uh, hey, Noor Salam, bro. I know, man. It sure was, bro. It was too much. It was too much. This might be the entry right here. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Come on, man. It's only nice if this candle comes through with some volume. Otherwise, it's just a little mini retracement to back to the downside. Feel like it's gonna snap like a twig. I'm gonna get my face ripped off. Like it's gonna break hard. Yep.
Order filled.
Hmm. Yeah, that was my bad. That was hella my bad. All right. All right. So yeah, that was a breakdown in process for sure. Let me read my lost script. Okay. Did I make a mistake? NMHI is the winner. That was the one. Dang, man. Ah, clean. Yeah, nice little easy setup too. Dang, such is life. Such is life. It ain't over yet though. Mm-hmm. What's going on, Artem? You in them HI? In them anemone. Anemone. I know, bro. I'm definitely gonna be waiting for a higher low. Nice, Artem. Ah, that's what's up. Appreciate it, man. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Man, I billied the heck out of that one. Okay, that's some good volume right there. What up, cute? Now check out that hammer time right there. It's getting some energy. Whoa. So you want to see it close over 448? That's the hammer time you looking for? Closed 452. Is it gonna break it again? It's gonna fade all day. Oh man. Oh man. That's your prediction. Yeah, same here, Artem. That's exactly how I felt. I don't like either one of the dailies for real. I want it right here. It's like a double bottom to me.
Order filled.
That was aggressive. Hmm. This was actually not the type of volume to qualify this. Could be, but We gonna see, Ben, here in a moment. I like this two candle pullback right here. Oh yeah. Could it be? What up, Zayback? Could it be? Come on, baby. We got increasing volume on the buy side. Appreciate it, Artem. We got to get that follow through, though, man. Ooh, to see that thing back through 5, yo. We got the higher low. Look at the 5 minute setup, too, man. That make me want to be real chill about it. Make me want to be real chill about it. See, this could just be the short leg of the long down leg. So that's kind of the scary part. Pyramid shorts will add at 5. Yeah. That's what we about to find out here. If this is going to be the higher low or not. Or if it's going to make a higher low. Ooh, dang. Nasty. Golly. Now this might be the coldest entry right here. It still would be higher than where I got in. That pretty 5 minute setup just fell all the way apart. Is that a metaphor for trading small caps? That's funny. uh, Yo, this hold of low of day, if this mug makes a higher high, bro. Like, bro, this mug tightrope my stop. It's still there too, man. I'm scared. Yeah, I notice people start careers just to short small caps. So, yeah, I get it. You know I'm right here, Q. Yeah, it's about to be humbled right here. This either gonna be humbling or it's gonna spray some nitrous oxide in. This might be nitrous oxide in the tank right here, boy. uh, Sheesh. At 440. Oh, that's a nice entry. Well, we'll see, man. We got Leon on the train. I'm sure he got a couple 100,000 shares, so he's about to push this thing up. Short term trades turned investment. Come on, AIFF. Bruh. You trying to get me kicked out the trade, Trey? Yeah, I'm hoping too, man. It seems to be struggling though. Ah, it's coming down. No. So much more pressure on the top side, man. I mean, we got the whole pre-market underneath this price action too, though, which was like 50 million shares. Come on, baby. Ugh. You know what though? I should have took off a couple shares up here though. But I was looking at the five, thinking that this could be worth a nice move up. I got a lot of shares compared to my trade yesterday. Took profit at 465. Nice, man. Well done, sir. Well done, sir. Come on. Clearly you want to go up. Clearly. Got the 5 minute joint right here. What's this high? 469. Got 470. What up, Jack? Dang it, man. Just go up. Come on, man. Break this flat top. Help them out, Bugs. Paper in. Ah, man, for real. Oh, here we go, folks. What we got here? What we got? We got to get over 5 for the party to really start, man. That rat did too. Oh, come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, baby. Ooh, the squeeze would be so sweet. The squeeze would be so sweet. I'm here for the squeeze, man. I'm here for the squeeze, bro. I didn't held this long. I'm not gonna take profit too early. You gotta be freaking kidding me, man. All right, you said it was gonna pile in at 5. So now we just gotta squeeze them back right back out. Right back out. Come on, man. We too strong right now. We too strong right now. Get up out of there. Come on, baby. We got the higher high, man. Uh, come on, man. This the one right here, y'all. I want just one more push, and I'm in. These damn small caps, man. I just wanted one more push. Just relax. Bruh, it ain't even hardly moved. Look at the 5 though. It ain't even moved out of the range yet. Like I'm just damn it. All right. I should have been selling my shares to you, huh, Q? I'm telling you. This is hella wild though. Not to have taken any shares off here or here. Very different from yesterday, but um, just trying to get paid for my pain and suffering. End up holding the L, the double L. I know, right? Maybe I should give it a couple more pennies. What's the low a day? 37. I'm at 35. Let's go 33. Just in case a little tiptoe. Yeah, I mean it's structurally it's really not that bad. You got big green volume, a little less on the pullback, higher low maybe. We'll see. It could still be cool. I was wanting that last move to be the squeeze activation. I should have listened to Artem, man. Hey, what's up, seeing you? Yeah, yeah, it looks terrible on the 15. But this guy here, man, as long as we don't make a low, it could be fine. It could be fine. Cause we got this double bottom here, and then we got the higher high. Yeah. I'm in here though now, Ben. And still, I mean, still we got a higher high and a higher low, but this could definitely be the leg down. I still have hope though. I mean, I'm always gonna have hope until we break low of day, you know. But yeah, I'm 5 is still looking pretty saucy to me. Come on with the volume. Yes. These shorts can eat my shorts, Ben. I'm about to squeeze them. I grab a dog. Dang, so it's just a whole process, huh, Ben? Dang, man. Let's see. 5 minute trigger right here is 478. 479. There we go. It's looking great on the 5. I think moving the stop to this low is valid though. Oh. I don't like that candle. Yeah. It looks bad for me. But we got a lower high. So if this cannot make a lower low or a higher high on the flip. Yeah. If you inverse the five too. Oh man. Yeah, it looks like it's about to go right up into my stop. Ah, damn. Yeah. Got the higher high, higher low. She about to blast off. Got the volume right here. Damn it, Q. Just oh, it's breaking out.
Order filled.
I should have taken some profits, man. I got. You know what happened? You know what happened? I know what happened. Nah, what happened was I was already down an R, and so mentally, I wanted this to be a home run trade. Had this been my first trade, I would have. I more than likely I would have taken some profit here, and I would have taken some profit here. But I wanted this to be a super big home run trade to make up for that loss. So I was like, nah, I ain't selling until it breaks up here. Yeah. Nah, it wasn't even it was just it was today. It was that loss, man. I wanted a bigger win to make sure I could cover for the loss. And I think on GP, I don't care what kind of flag it's making. If it's four green candles in a row, you can't buy it, bro. I mean, it did do one red candle, but that was wild. And I should have taken some profit up here too. uh, I don't know, man. Didn't get to do it today, man. Oh yeah, let's check it out, Q. Uh, dang, bro. I thought I was past this. That first loss, man. That's I said it yesterday actually on the stream. I was like, when everything goes perfect, it's I'm good. But the real test is how you act after that first loss, that first stop out. Man, bro, mad executions. Dang, bro, you were eating on this short. Oh wow, you got into this last breakdown. Wow, dang, nice work, Q man. Per usual. Per usual. Uh, yeah. Yeah, man, I could have sold 5 shares here, five there. Yeah, you could definitely get a little scalp out of there, Trey. Right. Definitely looks like a good buy. Well, I'm done. I'm already past 2R. I don't want to lose 3R anymore. I don't like losing more than 2R in a day. So, um and then like also it's such a clue that I need to catch myself, but I always validate it in the moment. Whenever I don't want to put my stop at low of day, it's like a red flag that don't take the trade. Don't take the trade, bro. If you don't want to put your stop at low of day, that means it's way far away from low of day. And it was. So this was stupid. Um this I'm not mad about this. I've actually been watching this like back to back double bottom. When because sometimes it just happens right next to each other, and I've noticed that, and I've played it a few times, and I'm cool with that entry. I just wish I'd taken profit. Yeah, I had 3.5R yesterday, so gave 2.5 back. So I'm still up on the week, yeah. But yeah, just kind of a breakdown in performance on this trade. If I didn't take that trade, I think there's a high probability that I would have taken profit on these pops like I was doing yesterday. You know, that hammer time did not go. Did you try that, Trey? There's Fio. Uh, oh yeah, I'm chilling. I appreciate it, Leon. I see you say head up, more patience. Yeah, I just gotta take profit. I hate making those kind of mistakes because like I feel like I've conquered that and I should be able to trust myself to always take profit in these moments. But again, after having that loss, I just kind of fell back into that mode of wanting to hold on to my shares. Explain, Ben. Expound on that for me if you could. Yeah, don't do it then, bro. All them little reasons that we overlook and take the trade anyway. It's not even worth it, man. Just don't do it. Just don't do it. Now, for real, to me, for to believe a reversal, highest volume of the day, like at least up to this. If that comes in, then you could be like, all right, we might have a reversal on our hands. Yeah, for sure, Ben. I was just I wasn't trading in the moment. Yeah, yeah, I am about to make me some tea though, real quick. But yeah, I wasn't trading in the moment anymore. I was uh I was trading my P and L, and I was trading my hopes and wishes. I was trading my hopes of it breaking up over $5 and making a run up, to high of day. When like yesterday, for example, I feel like I was really locked into the moment and I took profit on every high. Every pop I took profit yesterday. So it's just a clear difference in the mindset. And I think I can add that actually to my loss script, because that's like a clear cue that I've exposed, that I see today in at 409. Okay, I like that. I like this volume right there, Trey, and nice narrow range too. Man, but I still I would be scared that this is just a retracement before the next leg down. But I mean, you be taking profit so fast. No shade. That you could probably still scrape out of here. But yeah. What type of tea do I like? My favorite tea is chai tea. Um, but right now I have some Moroccan mint that I'm going to put on. Um, I like a lot of teas. I went through a couple tea journeys in my life. I even had a loose tea steeper, and they had this tea spot at the mall where you just go up, buy a bag of this like fresh loose leaf tea, and it was pretty cool. But yeah, I love tea. I am not a coffee drinker. Coffee is I just don't understand it, man. I mean, I can make a coffee to where I like it by putting in a whole bunch of sugar and cream and stuff, and flavoring. But like if I got some dirt water, I could probably put enough stuff in there to make me like that too. But why would I do that? That's how I feel about coffee. But I get it. I give my wife coffee, and I get one every now and then, but man, Trey, this is looking really good. You better not paper hands it, Trey. uh, let me put this water on real quick. 441 target. All right. That buying volume drying up already though. Yeah, my head's thinking super clear now that I'm all redded up. But yeah, we still got a down in volume. Okay, there it goes. There goes something. I know, man. I want to get back in with you. Still got 5 minutes. Yeah, it's such a hard game, man. It's so hard to maintain the right mindset through all of this stuff consistently, like trade after trade. Oh wow, that's a big difference there, Ben. Sounds like reading too many variables, man. Like you too focused in. Like that's good for the entry. Well, let me stop talking like I'm from a place of success. But that's why I try to just once I get in there, um, just commit to the position and take profit according to, however I'm supposed to take profit. I got that from it's always been echoing in my head from Mark Douglas of accepting the risk when you get into the trade. You know, that's a wrap, Sputia. That's a wrap. Wait, my phone about to go crazy at 10:30. My bad, y'all. Hmm. Now it's definitely looking interesting above 426. Think that would be kind of cool. But I mean, at this point in the day, this is when I say that my strategy doesn't work. There it is. A good 15 minute trigger right there over 426. Man, I want to take this. But I gotta stop somewhere. I'm gonna stick to my 2 hour loss, and this just ain't my time of the day. It's just too bearish at this point. The shorts won, but hopefully my boy Trey can get to 440 at least. That's a fun idea, Kay. What up, bro? I forgot about that, man. I keep thinking that off stream is such a cool way to keep from doing something stupid. Dang it, and already jumped. Let's see if we can get some at 426. Oh, here we go. Let's just buy that. And we'll hold our stop under 390, 394. We'll get out if it goes below that. That's so cool, okay? Thanks for saying that because I really wanted to keep trading. All right, folks, let's have some fun. This is tradingterminal.com. What you mean, Trey? Let's put the spy up over here. It sure is, man. Y'all gonna have me sitting here all day. Nah, I'm just gonna chill here for like 15 minutes. Out at 436. That's close enough, I guess. Where'd you get in at? 409? Is that what you said? That's legit. Hey, look like you did the right thing. Anything else moving out there? What you guys trading? I know Kid Ben's like warning me as he's pyramid shorting and then Q sends me the screenshot of his pyramid short. uh that's hilarious. Well, thanks for trying to save me, man. Just replace pyramid shorts with Q. RGTI, what were they talking about today? I saw it on the scanner, but the daily had there was nothing to see on the daily to me. Yeah, it took off. Where would you buy it even? This big volume into here. Yeah, that's definitely a part of the game I'm missing for sure. Look at this guy. I knew it was weak. That's why I'm glad I traded it over here. Oh, you talking about RG? Well, it's not a setup in my playbook. I'm looking for moves to the upside. Ding, RGTI through the floor. All right, let's get out of this guy. See, and that's why I don't trade after 10:30. I really just want to catch a nice reversal and see what it feels like to have 100 shares and sell off the. Yeah, that was a huge reversal. And see what it's like to have like, or even 1,000 shares. Oh man, guess I'll let that steep a little longer. All right. Okay, but what's the approach though? Like, am I actually trying to buy at the bottom of the candle? Yep, it sure did, Kay. It totally confirmed my feeling. And in the past, I would have had the feeling and just traded it anyway. Like, I gotta find out. Like, I can't find out by just sitting there watching it. I gotta actually trade it. You know what I mean? Man, you came in clutch with that suggestion, bro. I felt myself weakening. I hit the snooze on that last one instead of turning it off. So that's what happened there. Eesh. Man, super weak. Yeah, I couldn't hmm. Yeah. I feel like today I didn't actually like any dailies. I just settled for the highest volume small cap. Nah, I don't trade futures. We got some futures people in the Discord though. Anyway, this was like a waste of time because I don't want to. I'm not here to sharpen my 10:30 trades. I just read the headlines. That's hilarious. You and me both, Trey. Uh, yeah, I got to my office like 30 minutes earlier than I normally do. And I think it was almost too much time where I felt relaxed like I ended up looking up and it was like 10 minutes to the open and I didn't have nothing set up yet. So I kind of had a breakdown and process this morning and then honestly, this isn't the type of daily I'm looking for. It's really not. Wow, HH. Talk about due diligence, man. It's just gonna be damn near impossible for me to come in and not watch anything. That's gonna be a really difficult thing. But I mean, I guess if that's what I need to do in order to be successful, I'd be willing. Like if I knew for a fact that that's the only thing missing and that's what I needed to do, I would be willing to do it. I guess I just don't think that I need to do it. Like I do feel like there's opportunities. Well, the like when I gave myself when I was like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and trade small caps. The thing that I was looking for, Gorilla Glue, the thing that I wanted to be like the number one criteria of my daily chart is um uptrending on the daily. And with most cases on these small caps, that's never going to be the case. And that's okay. But I traded PHIO yesterday because it had like a double bottom going on. Like, okay, this could be the start of an uptrend. Some legitimacy, double bottom plus gap up over recent highs. All right, that's legitimate. But like AIFF from the daily perspective, this thing was falling through the hole. And it sounds like they just put out some BS PR release to pump it. And then it just dumped. So, what was the other one? NMHI. Yeah, same crap here too. Just downtrending, gapped up and dumped. So, I'm telling you, watch with my hands taped down. So, and it's just like, because I'm not looking to be a small cap trader, but if the setup is there, then I'm willing to trade it. And I don't know, maybe it's the catalyst, maybe it's, or just sometimes they don't work. Sometimes they just sell off. It did do a lot in pre-market, but staff. I looked at staff today. Um, yeah. But look at all these. I didn't like this. Like gapping into all these high volume days. I wouldn't have liked that. Yeah, this daily chart is cooked on staff. Look at this though. This is not a good gap. It's a gap right into the range of the three recent highest volume days ever. So yeah, this would not have looked like a good daily setup. So what's your next one? Yeah, this would have been good. But yeah, this is acceptable. The only problem is it's 30 cent. I don't know, man. I don't have any of these. My lower limit on my gap up scanner is $1. I don't know. Is it $1? Yeah, yeah, it's $1. So, but yeah, this is what I mean. Something that actually, you know, is not just falling through the floor on the daily chart. It's reasonable. Yeah, this is great though. I would have had no problem trading that. Rate of change in ATR. Huh. Yeah. So I think tomorrow for sure I need to go back to my watch list criteria. And if a small cap meets that criteria, cool, no problem. But if it doesn't and nothing does, then it has to be a no trade day. Like I cannot sit here and watch a stock that's downtrending on the daily. Unless the only time that's acceptable is like a ATH gap. Like the gap is ridiculous. Like there's no, you know what I mean? Uh and I don't think AIFF their gap was that significant. Like it's literally just gapping into this range too. I didn't think much of this because there was just not that much volume traded. But yeah, yeah, I don't know if I'm trying to walk down that road, HH. Hey, here goes AIFF. Nah, that thing's dead though. I would never try to reverse that from down there. It's over. Round three tomorrow. What on small caps? Round three tomorrow my on my watch list criteria, uptrending on the daily, one of these three entry patterns, and no disqualifiers. Which are what are my disqualifiers again? 360 was your first fib level. See, I told you not to try it up here. Wait for that fib. Nah, but you guys, you don't need to keep that. ATR is just seems kind of Hey, so HH, what's your perspective on ATR with small caps? Because I'm kind of feeling like ATR is meaningless with small caps. Like maybe I think there would be some validity in looking at how much it ran the last time it spiked, but aside from that, the ranges on them are so. Why is the win script empty? I just hadn't written it yet. This is all new stuff that I've been trying to implement um since the beginning of the year. And yeah, I've yet to read these lost scripts yet. Um but man, today I super noticed after the fact, of course, unfortunately, but I definitely noticed how my take profit mindset completely changed from yesterday's, and I'm quite positive it's because of this loss that I was looking at. I remember looking down here at the unrealized and looking over and seeing that -5 on the realized and thinking like that's not enough. Like if I could take profit now, but that's not enough. And yesterday I was taking profit. Like I think my first take profit was like might even been less than $1, but I didn't care. I was just getting those executions off at the tops of all the highs. So that's one thing for sure that after the loss, I gotta tell myself to forget about that. You know, don't worry about making that win back. Let's make this next trade a great trade. We're gonna take profit, same as usual. We're not gonna worry about trying to make the loss back. It's a new trade, a new moment. So, oh, work on that later. You talking about today? Nice for a short. Yeah, it definitely looks nice for a short. Um, but yeah, definitely. Today was I guess a good window into how those old habits die hard, man, and one good trade, then one good trade. Yeah, and I'm thinking about that mental handwork trade because it's overconfidence again. Like I get a few good days of picking the right stock, and then yesterday I took like an intuition entry off the open, and now I'm like, I can just feel it now. But it's the process. It's the process that makes me successful, and it's so easy when it starts clicking. It feels like it's you, like it's like you're doing it, like you're executing the process. It's not you. Like you're doing good by executing the process. It's not like you're now a magical chart whisperer. And so it gets hard to remember that okay, the reason why we're winning because we're risking off low of day, we're taking entries near low of day. If you don't want to put your stop low of day, that means it's not a good entry. Like I need to just drill those things in, man, because it's just so easy to overlook them. Um, but yeah, like this entry, I knew it was bad. It let me know immediately. It got exciting for a hot second. I did nothing, and then stopped me out, and I got in on the next low, bro. Although I do like this entry, but these should have been profits taken. And honestly, when I saw this candle, I was thinking, man, you could just stop out the position at this point. Hmm. Yep. Oh, my execution yesterday. Yeah, let's take a moment. Let's revisit yesterday's wonderful victory on File, brought to you by TraderSync, the coolest journal in the world. Link in the description. Let's get rid of that. All right, let's look at this. Oh man, just looking at the daily is like, ooh. Seeing that green arrow and all the red ones above it, like, ooh, that's nice. Yeah, we showed out yesterday, man. Yeah, that was super cool, man. But see, I look how quick I took profit. This is the first move up, and I took profit. And I mean, every move up, I'm hitting that sell button. And hey, what's up, wiser than most? Yeah, man, I'm definitely trying to do that, bro. And then today, in contrast, getting in here and not selling anything on this high. Okay, come back, retest the lows, and then make a higher high, and I still didn't sell anything. Like way different mindset. We talking about 50 cents in the money. Nah, I don't add anymore, Kay. I don't add anymore. It's just another variable. It's like adding a complication, to something that you haven't mastered. And it's just not it's just not necessary. Um just focused on that one entry. I want to leave my stop at low of day, and I want to focus on taking profits. And so here I failed at the low of day entry, and here I failed at taking profits. But I did the low of day entry the second time. But yeah, this is just the loss threw off my mindset, man, and I wanted to make back the loss. Um, man, yeah, one step at a time, bro. I don't need that extra stress, and it would just be like I would the my first entry will be good, and then I would add, and it would make me raise my stop from that perfect place that I put it in the beginning, and then it would stop out on a higher low and move up. And it was just like there was no reason for me to stop out of this trade except that I added and it raised my risk and wanted to raise my stop too. So yeah, I just decided to stop doing that. And it's definitely simpler, less complicated. And I mean, I definitely see opportunities to add, like, but it's just too many minds, man. It's already too many minds. There's so much to think about. And man, one of my Discord members posted a chart, and shout out to you, man. I'm not picking on you or anything, but I hadn't seen so many indicators in a long time, man. And I, I was uh I was just thinking of the overwhelming amount of data and the variables, man. It just like I couldn't even take having VWAP on my chart anymore. I just had to get like just strip it all the way down and let's read this price action and let's go look at the volume, man. And that's um what's up, Gary? Will do, man. Appreciate it, bro. Good looking out. Yeah, the double bottom for sure is where I would add. Like if it's gonna come back down to my entry, it's like a second trade. I'm go ahead and pile on a few more shares while you're here. But I've just decided to just leave it alone right now. Like I'm not. I'm only risking $5 a trade right now. So a lot of these things I have to remind myself, like, bro, we're not about to get rich. Like me being stingy about selling these shares right here, like, what are you holding for your $1,000 a day? Like, sell the freaking shares, bro. Like, this is just process. I'm just working on the process. So, um, the desire to add and increase my position so I can make way more money. Like, bro, it's not really necessary right now. Right now, I'm only risking $5. So I'm just focused on the process, getting my entries nailed, my trade management nailed, and most importantly, the consistent mindset, man. The consistent mindset. Like for example, I need a script. I need to write myself a script for this moment right here. When you're watching the stock and you're waiting, at the open for an entry, and I see these big old green candles off the open, that's mad stressful for me. I'm immediately FOMO is like I'm about to get left behind. Like it's gonna shoot off, and I'm not gonna be able to take a low of day entry because the low of day was just set on the bottom of this freaking astronomical size candle, and I'm not gonna get to trade. That's what I was going through right here. That's literally what I was going through. Like, man, it's not gonna come back. So either I be aggressive right now or I'm gonna miss it. But that was not the play. It was already super extended. Low of day is law. It's all on me for sure, man. For sure. Low of day is law. And I just gotta consistently coach myself in these moments so I can just stay calm, man. It's cool. It's cool. If it goes, it's cool. Like realistically, home runs like yesterday, like ideally, if that could happen 3 times a week, like if that could happen 3 times a week, that would be like super awesome. If I could catch one of those 3 times a week. And so what does that mean? That means at least 2 days out of the week, I'm not going to find that. And I need to maintain my P&L. Like, I need to be able to mentally expect and accept that there's going to be like maybe 3 days out of the week where ain't nothing really popping. Where it's just like, kind of boring day at the office today. Nothing set up. Like but I'm not of that mindset at all. Like low key, I'm still, and it's overconfidence for sure, but I literally believe I can get a trade anywhere out of anything. Like I can't buy the bottom of a retracement and get a couple shares off before it pulls back. Like I literally feel that way on the inside. I know it's not logically, I know it's not a reasonable thing to believe, but it's just somewhere in my chest, and so it's super hard. Well, not home runs as in 4R, 5R, but just like a winning trade, like a 2R, like a 2R trade. You know what I mean? But I'm trying to move myself to not expect so much to happen each day. Like if I look back at a week, I'm expecting to have some action at some point in the week. But when I sit down for today, I gotta adjust my expectations to be like, this could really be a no trade day or a break even day. So I gotta be ready for that. Papa Prozac. Yeah. But like I'm just what I mean trade is like I'm not gonna every day's not gonna be a winning trade. there's gonna be some break evens, and there should be some no trade days, and you know, there's gonna be days where I lose a couple R. So yeah, it's just a constant adjustment of expectations and constantly like bringing your mindset back to the trader's mindset, because the normal person's mindset and the mindset you're supposed to have as a trader is different. Like that's why most people can't do this. That's why the failure rate is hard, because normal thinking is not gonna get it done here. It's just different, and so it's just like a constant pull of bringing yourself back and bringing yourself back, and all right, relax, calm down, and it's a each trade, each day is random, right? Right? If you take any one trade, there's no way I could tell you if it's gonna hit or not. But if you take 100 trades, you know what I mean? That's when you start to see, consistencies and things. So I just gotta chill out on one day. On one day. What's up, Danny? Man, yeah, January was getting on my nerves, bro. We had a day off like every week, just be from the end of December and January. So yeah, and those things shake up your routine too. You start getting some momentum, and then you got a day off, and then you come back, and then you off 2 days, and you know, buy the large caps. uh, if I had a large gap on my gap up this morning that fit, I would have been all over it, Danny. I do not discriminate. I actually want to discriminate these small caps. It's just like when they're good, they're so good. You know, when they're good, they're like amazing. But when they suck, it's just like uh. I don't know if did I say that? I don't know if I made most of my money. I traded large caps for the longest amount of time last year. But like R wise, that would be an interesting observation. I haven't really done much small cap trading. Um Honestly, I really prefer like a billion market cap and like $20 range. Like I love those stocks. Move like $2 or $3, $4 on a good day. That's all I need, man. Good 20 cent, 20, 30 cent entry. Hey, that's all I need. I prefer that, cuz like dealing with dilution and dealing with, the pump and dump cycle and reverse splits, and it's just like so much more. There's so many more intricacies, it seems like, to the small caps versus just a mid cap. And I like the mid caps because I feel like they're a little more independent of the SPY, especially if they're not included in the S&P. Um, and that's kind of why I don't like the large caps, because they just like, I'll be in a great trade, and then the SPY will downtrend and pull me out of my trade, and I'm just like, dang man, we was all good. So, but I think I found my sweet spot, and my sweet spot is my daily setup, my daily criteria, and whatever fits that, I'm doing well trading. And so I'm just gonna keep doing that for a while and track everything, and then I think, if there's a clear edge that I'm noticing based on the data telling me that I need to stick to small caps or stick to large caps, then we'll definitely have to reevaluate. But for now, I think the setup is most important for me. Um, I'm just looking for uptrends. I mean, honestly, I'm looking for an uptrend. If I can get a decent uptrend, these are almost honestly too parabolic. Like I just want a calm, steady uptrend. You know, a good daily setup, and I'm just looking for that every morning. I'm looking for that thing that's gonna, pop an uptrend, and I just catch a ride. And the more consistent I can be at sticking to that criteria, I think the better I'll get at fine tuning and finding that exact situation that gives me the highest probability of finding that smooth uptrend. What do I think about RR? Yeah, the large caps are backed by the big money, but in regards to day trading, you know, um, I need price action that I can trade. The price action that's easiest for me to trade is what I'm, gonna trade. And the spy to me, like to try to trade the spy on like, have y'all ever looked at like the spy like on a one? It just looks crazy to me. Like it just the spy was a mess. The spy is a mess to me. Oh, the ticker RR. Uh, hmm. This could be the bounce area. I like that this volume is nice to signal the end of this move down, but I don't know. It's not. Then you got your lower low here, higher high. This might be cool. This might be cool. It's already triggered on the five. Yeah. Mm, this ain't really my type of day, but I mean my time of day. See what that 15 say. Yeah, I don't know. I like to wait for that 15-minute green at this time of the day. Another no trade day, huh, Kay? Man, I don't even know how to do that. It's like you mean you sit down and you don't trade? So like what button do I press to not trade? Like, bruh, I don't even know how. Yeah, and I ain't feeling RR. I need to see like a narrow range 15. Narrow range 15-minute green. Or like the highest volume, like some nats crazy volume, like at least over this some like highest volume of the day type stuff. Um like as you can see that signified this reversal, right? Um yeah, I ain't feeling it. She's on a downtrend. You can see what happens at this level, 264 and maybe double bottom, but I say she's in a steady downtrend at this time. 245. Oh, that's way down there. Yeah. I would definitely be looking at the 15. Oh man, it's 11:16. I gotta get out of here, y'all. Man, bruh, I'm telling you, Jack. I can't do it. I want to. You know what? Let me stop saying stuff like that. I can do it. I can have a no trade day. I can come in and I cannot see anything, any daily setup that fits my criteria, and I cannot trade. Yeah, but it's like it's positive in the sense that, see, bro, it's positive in the sense that it's necessary. Like it's not fun in the moment, but you literally have to have, I mean, I would imagine, I guess some traders are always going to be able to find trades every day, but I wonder, does Ross Cameron ever have no trade days? I bet he doesn't. I feel like I'm like Ross in some ways. But yeah, I would see it as a total victory, and I look at it whenever I hear somebody say they had a no trade day, I'm impressed, and I'm like, wow, good, like that's a characteristic I aspire to, you know. It's like I see somebody at the gym that's bigger than me and leaner, and I'm like, man, bro, like, nice work, bro. You know, that's trying to get on your level. Very good. So when y'all come in and say I didn't take a trade today, I'm like, man, you in there? Okay, yeah. See this double bottom right here. This was cool. This was cool. Yeah. Okay. And look at the 15 turning green though. This is what I would have been waiting for. That's kind of like my first process in my after 10:30 trade strategy is that 15 green on a higher low. Has to be in an uptrend, a higher low 15 green or a double bottom 15 green. But yeah, it's a good reversal sign. Still working on the volume for it though. Yeah, I'm telling you, Jack, every setup is perfect. It'll be perfect if it goes up. I appreciate it, Zayback. Right. Yeah, that makes sense. That's when you have the most risk too. But yeah, I like this hammer. This hammer though. That's good hammer time right there. You can hammer time that all day.
Stop. Hammer time.
But I still would say I would want to wait for the 15 though. Whatever this candle closes at, I'd want to take the break. But yeah, I definitely am not mad at the entry right here. 5 is looking decent too. Ooh, that hourly kind of scary though. Yeah. All right, y'all. Anyway, though, appreciate y'all hanging out with me today. Been a great time in the chat. Appreciate it. Had a good time talking with y'all. Um, hit that like button for me if you could. Discord link is in the description. Everything is free for the community. It's all love. Be safe out here in the market, man. Manage your risk. And yeah, there you go. HH, go on and get that bread. Get that bread up. Um, some things to learn from today for sure. Yesterday, when I got in this morning, I was like, things to learn from yesterday, and I was like, do it again. Like there's, everything was pretty much hot fire yesterday. But yeah, definitely just being patient and just remembering that if I don't want to put my stop at low of day, it's not a good entry, and to just let it go. And if you lose, You still need to take profit at your highs. Don't worry about trying to make that one back. So, yeah. Anyway, all right, y'all. Be easy. Peace.